Hey folks, how you going? I thought I'd just do a quick video of the Eachine E59 here. Apparently it boasts having 3 spotlights on the front, and it can fly at night. So even though mine has got 2, because one of them has decided to explode or something similar to that, and it has decided to stop working, which is a bit disappointing, but I'll have a look into that shortly. But let's see if we can fly at night time. It's almost dark now. Got the kookaburras going. So we're going to see if this actually does anything at night time. See if we can see where we're going. I won't fly it too dark, otherwise I won't be able to see where I'm going. But let's see if we can do a bit of flying here, so we can see our way. Apologies if the video is not very good, but let's go over where we can use the lights on something, shall we? So it boasts flying at night time, which I'm certainly having a bit of trouble doing. That's for sure. I'm having a lot of trouble flying it at night time. So even though it says flying at night time, folks, yeah, be very wary with flying it at night time, because those lights on the front don't really do, well, they don't really do anything at all. See if we can sort some trim out here. Okay, got a bit of trim action going here. And it's flying away. For some reason it's going all over the place. So yeah, it does say you can fly at night time with these lights, but you know what? I'm relying more on the red lights at the back than the ones at the front. Let's see if we can go over here a bit. Shine the light on some trees. Yeah, no, they're not working very well, are they? Not too well at all. I think we'll do a quick reset. So, if you look at the spotlights here, it claims to, when it's pitch black you can probably see away a bit, pretty well. It might not be dark enough for us yet. I don't know if you guys can see that with the camera, but ching ching. I think the red lights at the back give me more vision than anything else, so let's just shoot up to the sky, shall we? See how far up we can go before we lose sight. And she's off. I don't know if I've told you before, but this drone goes a flaming long way up. And I mean a long way up. And I actually brought it down then, I could have gone further, but I was afraid of losing it, so let's go for a quick walk down here. See if we can find something dark-ish. There's a little dark bit of corner here. Well, I suppose it does light up a little bit, but I certainly wouldn't rely on it to find your way around the place, because this thing's just too sketchy for that. It's just too erratic. Sort of really goes off on its own little tangent. bit darker now. Let's go into the trees. No. Look, if you had 3 spotties it might make a bit of difference, but as I said, you can see where you're going with that red light at the back. Oh, it lights it up a little bit. See if we can take it over to that bird feeder there without doing any damage. Right. This thing's incredibly hard to fly slowly and smoothly. It's always on the go. It's always doing something. Here we go. Sort of lit the bird feeder up a bit then. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it does light it up a bit. There we go. But look, a bit gimmicky, I think, more than anything. So I'm flying more on the rear reds at the moment. As you can see, they're flashing now. So I've only got about 10 more seconds until she's flat. So let's see what happens when it goes flat, when I'm at height. I think it's just going to come to the ground and decide it's enough. Okay, I'm just about on full throttle now. There you go, crash. That's a good one for you guys to know about. When it's low on batteries, keep it low to the ground, otherwise it'll just drop out of the sky. So, yep, there you have it, folks. There's a bit of a light test for you of the Eachine E54. And there's still a bit of power there, so get those lights going. Look at that. So, does it light up enough to see at night time? Yeah, possibly. Wouldn't recommend it though. I think we need to go inside for a charge. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll